Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger.
I'm Mrs. Stranger.
I'm Raw. And we got Tracy Stranger.
And Marianne Stranger.
Yay! And we're here at Disney Springs and we're gonna go find some really good discounts here at Oaken's store in the back of the co-op. There's discounted buy one, get one half price stuff.
That's
right. So we're gonna look for some deals here at Disney Springs. If you wanna save some money, you don't have to go to the outlets. I mean, feel free to if you want to. But there's some really good deals here at Disney Springs also. So guys, let's go take a look at what they have. Buy one, get half price off here at Disney Springs.
Yeah,
ready?
let's do that.
Let's go! Hello.
Hello. Hi there. Show what you're gonna buy.
Oh, is it your spooky place?
Yes, my spooky place. And look at this. Apparel items. Buy one, get one 50% off. Disney does have some discount places.
Well,
we're
show us off.
Disney
Yeah.
Springs.
Yeah.
We're in the marketplace in the back, and it's called Co-op, right?
Yes.
And this whole section back here is buy something regular price, like this is $34.99. But if you get another one, it's 50% off. Oh, well, this is pretty subdued, and it says the Force is with us. Ooh, so Star Wars-esque. And that is $44.99. Oh, and I do see a little patch right there. Women of the Galaxy. The Force is with us.
Fun hits.
Very cool. Oh, and it's actually matching shorts. Very cool. We have a Marvel shirt, and that is $36.99. We have another mini sweatshirt apparel, and that is $49.99. So if you were to get another one, it is $25. Most magical place on earth, and it is very soft. I like this. Very cool. And this is $59.99. Look, matching sweatpants with the same logo, and these are $49.99. So you could get the set, sweatshirt and the sweatpants. We have a couple Spirit jerseys. More adventure is out there. 25 years
Up?
Animal Kingdom.
It's like Animal Kingdom Up, right?
Yes, yes, and that is $79.99.
Is that a real bird though? Is that make-believe? Is that make-believe for Up?
I forget his name. Doesn't he get a name in the movie? You'll have to look that up. And then these are really cool. Walt Disney World 50th. Very nice. And they are $54.99.
They were way more expensive about a year and a half ago.
Yes.
And they're even cheaper, getting one half price.
We have more women's shirts and more mini. Up here's, oh, very cool, Lion King. And that is $39.99. That is not bad. Then get another, it's $20. Wow, I remember these kaleidoscope type Spirit jerseys.
What'd you find, Tracy Stranger?
I like
Animal
this.
Kingdom Safari. That is really cool.
Oh, that looks like something you would wear with a swoop neck. How much is it? $36.99.
Wow.
$36.99.
That's cute.
Queen Nala, $39.99. Oh, and here are more 25th Animal Kingdom. Oh, look at that. It's a sweatshirt? Yes.
This is the Electrical Light Parade.
I like that. Yeah, that is $49.99.
And is it long sleeve or 3/4 sleeve?
Long sleeves.
And a sweatshirt. That's pretty cool. Main Street Electrical Light Parade.
And
On the back? Oh, look at that on the back.
the turtle.
That's a turtle with the glasses. I recognize him.
Ooh, I think T-Stranger would like that. Oh, wow. You always need a raincoat here in Florida. And it looks like it's a small world. Oh, I love it. Very good. Let's see how much that is. $54.99. Nice. This one?
Yep.
And then we have Ursula, infamous.
Well, you know what? That's a sleeveless shirt. But unfortunately, I don't think this jobber, our friend who loves sleeveless shirts, would want to go for Ursula.
A little too womanly. I do not see a price. And then we have Lion King, Disney's Animal Kingdom.
All right, now that would be a Diz Jabber shirt, right?
$34.99.
Extra small. I don't know if Diz Jabber is an extra small, but he does like his sleeveless t-shirts.
Ah, here's a shirt for Disney Stranger. This is $59.99.
Marvel one, I see actually many different.
Yeah, well, there's two.
Star Wars, IP, Disney, Marvel.
Stitch, Snow White, very cool, but limited with sizes. Oh, and the jean shirt is very cool. That is $64.99. Very soft material. Love it. Great for the fall.
We did those.
And we have just a Mickey sweatshirt. This kind of looks 90-ish to me.
Very 90s. I think it was very 90s. Yeah.
Fireworks. Looks like Epcot, Nick. No, it's Main Street lit up.
It's explosive. I like that shirt though.
Yeah, it is $39.99.
I don't think I've ever seen this.
No. And then we have Spider-Man. Very unusual. Looks like something.
And Venom.
Marvel.
That's Venom.
Oh, and Venom. But very soft. $52.99. Now, we didn't see the back. Pluto. Very
Which
cool.
one was this? What's the front?
That was
oh,
the
we didn't
front
turn it around before.
There,
Look at that.
Yes, and it's $64.99. And there are a pair of shorts, really neat.
You know,
these are $44.99.
It's Stranger. I think I saw these shorts at the outlet
Yes.
in New Jersey when we were there last month.
And it has Walt Disney World, $44.99. Different color. And we have one more color, the green. Oh, and here we have Make It Magical, Walt Disney World, $36.99.
Show the sleeves.
Yeah, the sleeves are very unusual. Gives it character.
Jeans, weird jeans.
Oh, wow. These are very unique. Kind of looks 90-ish too. The real wide leg and the elastic. These are $59.99. Oh, and here are pajama bottoms or lounge pants with that same print, and that is $39.99. This I know is at the outlet too. It's $34.99. Smile, breathe, and believe in Disney magic.
You believe in Disney magic?
Of course I do. But I think maybe, I guess it's too feminine, but again, sleeveless, you know who. Ooh, an Ariel dress. That's different. It is $49.99.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining us here at the Disney Stranger channel. We really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out our shopping vlogs, right, Mr. Stranger?
Shop till you drop.
Now, there's one thing before we go, after seeing these great deals tonight, and what's that, guys?
Don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. and walk forward.